Hello guys, in this video we'll tell you how to fix when your event viewer is not working in Windows 10 or 11. But before we start the video guys, if you have any computer or software related problems, please feel free to contact us by visiting our website and using the submit a problem button from there. And comment down below on our videos about your problem, and just don't worry, we'll make a video for you to resolve it. Number 1. Review the log security settings. For this, press the Windows plus R key to open the run box. Now in the run box, copy and paste this path and just press enter. Now right click on the logos folder to access its properties. Now from there, select the security tab and click on the system username under the group or usernames. Now just click on the edit button. Number 2. Windows Registry tool. For this, search for the registry editor in the Windows search bar and run it as administrator. Now open the following part in the Windows Registry. Now from there, find out start and double click to configure its value. Now set the value to 1 and press the OK button to save the changes. Number 3. Run SFC and DISM Scans. System File Checker or SFC and Deployment Image Service and Management Tool, the DISM scans help repair corrupted system files that might be causing the event viewer not working problem. Number 4. Run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. For this, press the Windows plus R key to again open the run box. Now from there, type mdsched.exe and press enter. And from there, select restart now and just check for the problems. The Windows Memory Diagnostic tool will perform a series of tests to check your RAM for the event viewer not working errors. Number 5. Check event viewer in safe mode. For this, boot your computer into safe mode and check if event viewer works there. Number 6. Run the Windows Troubleshooter. Windows has built-in troubleshooters that can automatically detect and fix common issues. Try running the troubleshooter for the system maintenance security category. Number 7. Check for Windows Update. Make sure Windows 11 or 10 is up to date, because sometimes Microsoft releases updates that can fix known issues. Number 8. Restart a computer. A simple restart can often resolve temporary issues with system.